Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to Physical Science online class, third model paper 2021. We know that every question paper having two parts. First part is part A, that having three sections. First section, total 6 questions are there. You can write any 3 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. Write in sentences 2 to 3 sentences. Then 3 twos are 6 marks. First question, state the difference between virtual image and real image. That is the direct question. Virtual are images which are not able to caught on the screen, whereas real images are the images which are caught on the screen. Virtual images are always erect and real images are always inverted. Then second question, complete the following diagram. Complete the following diagram. Here, what is the lesson name? Fourth lesson, refraction of light at curved surfaces. Then complete the diagram when parallel rays making an angle with principal axis. Fall on a lens, the rays converged at a point. That lens is biconvex lens. Then here one imaginary line there, that is the paraxial line, which are drawn near by the principal axis, that is called the paraxial line. Second question. Third question, write any 2 uses of spherical mirrors. We know that so many uses are there. Spherical mirrors, concave mirror used in dentist, convex mirrors are used in the rear view mirrors. So many uses are there. Fourth question, does focal length of a spherical mirror changes when it is completely immersed in the water? Predict and write the reason. Here we can take the spherical mirror immersed in a water. Here not use of any medium. No. Answer no. Focal length does not change when mirror is immersed completely in water, because reflection does not depend on surrounding medium. Refraction only depends upon the surrounding medium. Here reflection does not depend on the surrounding medium. Fifth question, why the soil of agricultural lands get tested for pH? pH level means that is the third lesson. Plants required a specific pH range for their healthy growth. So, finding pH of a soil suggested the farmers to treat the fields with acidic or basic natures to maintain the required pH range. pH means what? Concentration of hydrogen or potency of the hydrogen, that is called the pH level. In your textbook, so many pH values are there. Then digestive system, then tooth decay, and agriculture departments. So many pH values depending questions are there. Read about that pH values. Sixth question, which principle is not followed in writing the following electronic configuration? Give reasons. 1s2, 2s1, 2p4. What is the question? 1s2, 2s1, 2p4. This is the not principle of the electronic configuration. Why? Because the principle violated here, Abbo principle. We have to fill 2 electrons in 2s before going to 2p. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, or 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. That is the Abbo principle. Section 2. Total 4 questions are there. You can write any 2 questions. Write the answers in 4 to 5 sentences. Each question carries 4 marks. Seventh question, write any 4 uses of washing soda. We know that washing soda uses, that scientific name is sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Washing soda used in glass, soap and paper industries. It is used in the manufacture of sodium compounds such as a borax. Sodium carbonate can be used as a cleaning agent for domestic purpose. It is used for removing permanent hardness of water. Eighth question. A wire of length 1 meter and radius 0.1 millimeter has a resistance of 100 ohms. Find the resistivity of the material. Here given values are resistance capital R equal to 100 ohms. Length of the material or length of the resistor L equal to 1 meter, that equal 1000 millimeters. Radius of the resistance wire, that is the 0.1 millimeter. Then what is the resistivity of the material? Given question is electric current. Then we can find out the area of cross section. Capital A equal to pi r square, that equal to pi value we know that 22/7, and r square radius means 0.1 into 0.1. After calculation we can find out the across the area 0.0314 millimeters. Next, resistivity, that is the rho. Resistivity denoted by the rho, that equal to capital R capital A by L. Resistance, area of the cross section divided by length of the resistance. Then answer 0.00314 ohm meter. Ninth question. Observe the given table and answer the following questions. First one, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. Second one, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. Third one, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Given elements are argon, phosphorus and calcium. First question, mention the divalent element name. Name of the divalent element in the table is calcium. Then name the element belongs to third period and fifth A group. Second question, name of the element which belongs to third period and fifth A group is phosphorus. 10th question, draw a ray diagram showing the correction of myopia eye defect. We know that myopia eye defect diagram. Then correction of the myopia we using the biconcave lens. That is the near object that person see that, not seen the far objects. Section 3. Total questions are 4. You can write any 2 questions. Each question carries 8 marks. Write the sentences 8 to 12 sentences. First question, write the precautions to be taken in the experiment to show air and water are essential for rusting iron articles, and also write the experimental procedure. That is the important question. Lesson name is the Principles of Metallurgy. 3 test tubes activity. 3 test tubes activity. You can write total lab activity model, aim, material required, procedure, diagram, reason and result. Next question. The ray diagram showing the image formed by a convex lens are given in the following table. From these diagrams complete the table. That is the direct question. 4th lesson having same ray diagrams and their characteristics are there. Then first one, beyond the center of curvature. Then we take the object, center of curvature and focus. And next one, focus on focus at center of curvature. And last one, we can take the object pole and focus in between. These are the direct question answers. 13th question. The resistance of 5 ohms, 15 ohms, 20 ohms and 10 ohms are connected as shown in the figure. In the circuit, Find the resultant resistance of the circuit. Here battery resistance are there. Resistance 5 ohms and 15 ohms are connected in series. Why? Because here positive negative terminals are alternatively there, that is the series connection. Resultant resistance Ri equal to 5 ohms plus 15 ohms, that equal to 20 ohms. Then second one, resistance R1 or resistance Ri and 20 ohms are connected in parallel. Parallel connection means all positive terminals, all negative terminals separated. Parallel connection, resultant resistance R equivalent equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, that equal total answer is 40 ohms. Then 400 by 40 ohms, that equal 10 ohms. Finally, resistances R1 and R2 10 ohms are connected in series. Again 5 ohms 15 ohms series connection. Then total 20 ohms and 20 ohms are parallel connection. Finally, total connection with 10 ohms. Total resultant resistance series connection 10 ohms plus 10 ohms, that equal to 20 ohms. Third section, last question is the magnification of the image formed by the spherical mirror M equal to minus 1.25. Based on this information, answer the following questions. First question, which kind of the mirror forms such image? Write the characteristics of the image. Third question, if the size of object is 2 centimeters, then what is the size of the image? Fourth question, write the position of the object on the principal axis. Here magnification means we know that ratio between size of the image and size of the object, or height of the image and height of the object, that is called the magnification. Given magnification is minus 1.25, minus means that is the concave mirror. Then what are the characteristics of the images? Image forms beyond the center of curvature. Image forms beyond the center of curvature. Then real image, inverted. Then last, magnified image, that means enlarged image. Third question, if the size of the object is 2 centimeters, then what is the size of the image? Object size is given, that is the 2 centimeters. Magnification also there, minus 1.25 centimeters. Size of the image what? M equal to Hi by Ho, that equal minus 1.25 equal to Hi by 2. Total Hi equal to 2 into minus 1.25, that equal minus 2.5 centimeters. Size of the image minus 2.5 centimeters. Fourth question, position of the object. Position of the object, for example, position of the object is between focus and center of curvature on the principal axis. Why? Because here we can take the object beyond the center of curvature, form the image focus and center of curvature, that is enlarged, inverted and real image. I hope all are understand today's model paper 3. Then next class we will discuss about the fourth model paper. Thank you and God bless you all.